If you're interested in luxury homes in a gated community of Burr Ridge that offers quality construction and competitive prices, Falling Water is hard to beat. I'm Eric, owner and broker at Eric Andersen Homes, and just a reminder to subscribe to my channel for more neighborhood tours like these. Whether you're living in the city and looking to come out to the suburbs, out of state and relocating to Chicago, or live here now and are thinking of selling, I can help. I'm going to drive you around shortly so you can see this amazing community for yourself. But first, a little bit about the homes you will see here in Falling Water. The first homes in Falling Water were built around 1993, the same year that Michael Jordan and the Chicago Bulls completed their first three-peat. Many of the homes here today date from the era between Y2K and the birth of U2. Most of the homes in this 24-hour gated and guarded community are 2 stories and expansive, typically ranging between 5,000 and 10,000 square feet, with lot sizes between a half and full acre. These elegant, custom-built homes are a mix of traditional and contemporary styles with 2-story foyers, vaulted ceilings, and luxury finishes. Indoor pools, theaters, workout rooms, bars, walkout basements, and heated floors are commonplace in these homes, and the master suites and walk-in closets are to die for. Fair warning, if you move to Falling Water, you may never leave home again. If you're looking for related living, you may find some good options here. Many of these homes will have first floor bedrooms with a full bath, and some will even have an in-law suite with a second kitchen and a separate entrance. 3-car garages are about as small as you'll find in Falling Water, and there are some 4s and 5s, and homes with larger driveways can accommodate parking for an additional 4 cars or more. There are often vacant lots available for you to purchase and build your own home on. Lots may come with or without a water view and have ranged in price from $200,000 to $600,000 just for the land. Homes in Falling Water have been selling between $700,000 and $1.5 million, with an average sale price around $980,000. The community has a gated and guarded entrance, beautiful landscaping, and a lovely pond in the heart of the community. If you're here around the holidays, be sure to drive by during the evening and check out their spectacular light display. Falling Water is just minutes from the shopping, dining, and recreation you'll find at the Burr Ridge Village Center and in the highly rated Hinsdale South High School District. Falling Water is located just south of 91st and east of Kingery Highway, also known as Route 83, with access to major roads and highways like I-55 and 294. A commute to the city from Falling Water will take you about 30 minutes in normal traffic, but it could take 45 minutes to an hour or more during rush hour. And one final point I'd be remiss not to mention, Falling Water is less than 2 miles from the amazing Waterfall Glen, which offers a 9+ mile trail loop around the preserve and is set in one of the most ecologically impressive locations in all of northern Illinois. Well, I think that's enough context. Let's take a tour around the community. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Whether you're thinking of moving to the suburbs from the city, relocating to Chicago from out of state, or if you need help selling your home in Burr Ridge or the surrounding areas, contact me today. I'm Eric with Eric Andersen Homes, here to remove the headache from real estate and provide expert guidance for your next purchase or sale.